Welcome! Today I will be discussing two technology tools that can be used in the classroom and in a standard-based unit plan. The subject for the standard-based unit plan is 5th grade language arts. The topic, as you see here, is narrative writing. Each student in a general education classroom would have their own technology device for this unit. The first technology tool that I'm going to discuss is Glogster. Glogster can be used for learning in the classroom, and it's a unique way for students to share what they have learned. Students can create a digital poster on Glogster, and Glogster describes their tool as allowing students to use linked videos, text and color, wallpapers, audio, images, clip art, and text items, as well as zoom effect. Then the second technology tool that I'm going to discuss is Socrative. Socrative can be used for assessment in the classroom. It's very easy for educators to use Socrative for formative assessments. It allows educators to get instant feedback from their students through a quiz, exit ticket, or a single question. So let's go ahead and take a look at Glogster first. This is Glogster's website. I just have the free account, so this is what it looks like when you log in. You'll see my name up here at the top. You'll notice near the bottom here, I have a couple Glogsters that I like that I labeled as my favorites. So I'll go ahead and show you this first one. So as you can see here, this online digital poster is just colorful, neat, nice, and it's full of information. Glogster really lets students get creative and design their posters however they'd like. Now, if I go back to my account, I have created a class and I've named it Period 1. If I click on the class, I can create class projects here for my students to complete. So let's go ahead. If I click Start Project, I can now set up an assignment for my students. So I can choose a blank template. If I click here, I can choose a blank one where I'll create it on my own, or there are pre-made templates here at the bottom. I'll go ahead and choose a pre-made one to show you what it looks like. Notice they're by subject. So for language arts, I'll go ahead and choose this template. And once it loads, so here it is. This is the pre-made template, but now you can customize anything like the text or add pictures or whatever you see fit for your project. This is just to get you started. Once you get the template how you want it, you can then go ahead and share it with your students. So for example, in a narrative writing unit, I could have students use this exact template to fill in, let's say, the sequence of events from a story they read. They could put the sequence of events right here in order. They could insert some graphics to go with it. They could insert their own text, talking bubbles, and so on. So it's really a good technology tool to use. Okay, now the second technology tool I'm going to talk about is Socrative. Socrative is used for assessments. So I'm already logged in here to Socrative. And again, I just have the free account. As soon as you log in, you can choose a pre-made quiz that you've stored on Socrative, or one of these three options at the bottom if you just want to give a quick formative assessment. If you click on short answer, for example, you can simply type in the question, choose your different options, and then hit start. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a pre-made quiz that I already have made. It's called narrative writing, and I'll go ahead and hit next. Then you have a variety of delivery methods here. This little I will give you descriptions for each one. So I'll just go ahead and choose instant feedback. Then you're ready for it to begin, so you can hit start. As it starts, here are your results. You'd have to give students the URL up here at the top so they can access it. But as part of the upgraded version, which is only a small fee, the URL was made to be really short and easy for students to type in. So now on the screen, obviously the results will appear in live time. So it's just a quick and instant feedback for the educator. So if I hit finish, again, you can get the results down here. So those are the two technology tools, Glockster and Socrative, that I could use in my classroom for a unit plan on narrative writing. Thanks for watching.